right, today is a special video. I'm inviting a special friend to try out a Sea-Doo today. Stay tuned, this one's gonna be a fun one. Fly! Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside guy. My name is Derek, and in today's video is a special episode, everyone. I am introducing to this video, to this channel, a brand new friend today. His name is Kyle, and we're gonna get him on a Sea-Doo today, and his son. Perfect timing, because it's a Father's Day weekend, right? So that's what we're gonna do in this video, and I think you'll enjoy it. Hang out, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. On my way to go meet my friend Kyle and get him on a Sea-Doo. All right, guys, I'm here, I'm docked. Ready to go. All right, guys, I'm right here for Sea-Doo Rentals, and you guys remember my man Eston? He's here today. He's going to hook us up. He's going to take care of us and get my friend Kyle on the ski.
There is one there that is like a waterproof boat. All right, awesome. What's going on?
Eston, what's up?
How you been?
Good. How about you?
Doing good.
Good. Got my guys ready to go here.
We get them going.
Yeah.
We're on YouTube. You excited?
Yeah.
What's up, Josh? You ready?
Fun, yeah.
He's ready.
Yeah? All right, guys, so this is Kyle right here. This is my super awesome good friend Kyle, and this is his little Kyle, but we'll call him Joshua. And he's here for the ride today. Yeah. Are you excited, dude?
Yeah, I am. It'll be fun. Really fun.
What are you most excited about?
Like bouncing in the jet ski on the water. I like it's really fun watching people do it, and today I'm actually gonna do it, so.
Okay, all right.
Cool.
What about you, Kyle? What's up? You got your boy with you today.
Okay, no.
Huh?
The best thing is I get to hang out with the Oceanside guy with my boy. It's a beautiful day here in San Diego.
It's
and
good.
My heart is just raging with fire for adventure. So we're going out there, and what Oceanside guy doesn't know is I'm gonna school him on the water.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
This is gonna be a great day. We're super pumped.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So here are all the skis guys right here. They're gonna get on one of these amazing skis, and our good friend over here, Eston's gonna get us hooked up. All right, guys, let's make our way over.
Yeah, let's.
Let me know how this one feels. Looks like it.
Actually, I think I'll need a large. It's kind of hard to breathe.
Oh yeah, that is a little small.
4XL. No, we don't need that.
Are you nervous, Joshua?
I'm not nervous
There's a
because
step
Dad's
right there.
driving it, but a little bit because
Okay.
I've never been on it.
All right. That's all right. They're gonna be on Sea-Doos today. That's all good.
It's a pop
Nice.
It's gonna be in here.
That
And
is
then-
perfect.
You want to watch it? It won't be fully waterproof, but just slam it shut.
Okay.
So it closes in, and then phone is gonna go on this.
Oh, that's the smell. It's in the back.
Yeah, buddy. So you're gonna have this strap to hold on to,
Oh, okay.
or you can hold on to that, or you can hold on to there. First time on the Sea-Doo. We're getting ready.
Inside the lid as well, just in case anything happens. And then if you do want to bring your phone in here, just make sure these are clipped up, and then it'll be waterproof.
Okay.
Cool.
Great.
And then see this map up here, okay?
Yes, I can.
Perfect. So if you get lost out here, just look for all these red roofs. Best place to find us. If you can't find that, we're right across from the Rady Shell, that shell-looking theater.
Yep,
We're just
okay.
that dock right across from it.
Great.
So when I send you out, you're gonna head under this little gangway right here. It's gonna be going south towards this number 4. Coronado Bridge, big blue bridge back there. You can't really miss it. You guys can go under the bridge and kind of around it. There's really nothing much past it. It's just military storage, residential housing. It's pretty boring, but you guys can go underneath it if you guys like to. Going north is towards this number 1. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with the USS Midway, but it's the aircraft carrier on your right with 41. Retired military ship, basically a museum. It's like the only military related thing in the water you guys can get close to.
We toured it a few months
Exactly,
ago.
yeah. So you guys can get under its flight deck, take photos of it. Just keep it slow. Really, other than that, you guys are good.
Okay.
Past the Midway, it's gonna start to take a left-hand turn. It's kind of far from here. It feels like you shouldn't be out there. As long as there's land on both sides of you guys are good. When you're coming back, just meet me in that dead space of water right there. If there's other skis coming back with you, just one at a time. Just let me get the first ski up on the dock, and I'll just kind of wave whoever's next.
Got it.
Cool.
Okay.
Get on the map.
Oh, yep, good on that.
Perfect. So that green side with the floaty has that little black clip on the end of it. It's gonna clip into that D-ring on that left side right there. So just make sure that key is always attached to. It's basically your kill switch. So that's your ignition. The jet ski won't turn on unless that's not clipped in. So if it turns off for whatever reason, key probably got pulled out of it. It's also the fastest way to turn off the jet ski. So if you need to turn off for whatever reason, just yank it out.
Got it.
If you do fall off, you guys have a little swim ladder back here.
You see that, buddy?
Pull it down, step up on it.
Okay.
Adjust heat. If the ski does flip for whatever reason, only thing to keep in mind is just gonna start to fill up with water.
If it flips, I'll flip it over for him. I know how to do it. I've been flipped over twice already out in the ocean, in the surf and everything. What a mess, but I'll flip it over for them if they need to.
Or right is always your gas, left is your brake and your neutral. So when it's turned on, you're always gonna have that N in the top right corner for neutral. When you turn it on, it's just this red button. You just hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. When it's turned on, the N will be in the top right corner. When you tap this right trigger once, it will change the N on the dash to an F. It's basically like putting your car in the drive. So right is always your gas. It gets up to about 50, 55 miles per hour. So you can go as slow as you want, as fast as you want, totally up to you. If you want to get back into neutral, brake or reverse, it's your left one. So back into neutral, you just tap it once, changes the F back into an N. If you're in motion, it won't stop you immediately. You just kind of gradually slow down and then be put in a complete stop. Yep. For braking or reverse, holding this one down does both. So in motion, it's a brake. It brakes you pretty fast, puts you in a complete stop. Comments, questions, concerns?
No, we're good. Are you good, bud? Any questions?
Yes. There is no sharks. No sharks. Best place to hold on though are going to be these little straps on the side of the life jacket right here.
So you
Cool.
can hold on to that.
All right, did you get all the instructions? Button this, push that, do that, turn this. There we go. Ahoy!
And then you guys are all good. Cool. Have fun, guys.
I'll meet you right over there, buddy.
Okay. All right, bud. Hold on to my sides, okay? Woohoo!
All right, they're off, so I'm gonna get on my GTX as well too, and we're gonna go meet him over there. We're gonna run around the bay today. So again, Aston,
Yes.
thanks, buddy.
Seeing you again, yes. Anytime.
All right, there we have it, guys. We're ready to go. Looks like the sun's coming out a little bit this morning, so wasn't expecting the sun today, but it is popping out. We got some blue patch here, so we're looking really good. And I'm gonna get on my ski and we're gonna show Kyle and his boy around. This is great. It's like a good Father Day weekend with the guys, right? Arr. All right, let's get it. Let's go get him. That sounds good. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'll follow your lead.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hello, Father-Son weekend. Looks like they're having a ball so far on the Sea-Doo for sure. Woo! Look at that. Father and son on the Sea-Doo, having a Sea-Doo Saturday. I'm gonna take them over to the USS Midway just so they can see it from the outside on the water. Look at that skyline. There's a cool feature on these Sea-Doo GTX Pros 130 that they put on as a safety feature. They got the geo fence on all of the jet skis here, so which makes it super trackable, and so that people just can't go in places they're not supposed to go. And what the geo tracker does is it'll shut the ski down to 5 miles an hour, so it won't go any faster than that. We're gonna go all the way to Point Loma, show them the edge of the bay, and we're gonna come back, so let's do it. What a day. We got blue skies today. Didn't expect blue skies. Wow. How you doing, Joshua?
I'm doing good. Feeling fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's really hot out.
Yeah, there we go. Woo!
Where do you want to go now?
We still haven't hit Point Loma yet.
You got to go that way still?
Yep. I think they're having a blast on the Sea-Doo, right? Tons of fun. Let's see what we think so far on the Sea-Doo, guys. Having a good father-son time?
Absolutely. What a way to spend Father's Day weekend.
I know, perfect. Perfect Saturday for father and son on a Sea-Doo. All right, so we're gonna go to the bridge, yeah?
Yeah.
And then swing back to the midway, and then drop the ski off, I think is what we're gonna do. I gotta say, the security out here is tight. There are military patrol boats everywhere. Now, normally you don't see them every single spot. They're here, but today they are out in force today. So I'm not sure what's going on over this side over here. Well, obviously all the ships and the Navy is over there and everything, but there's some type of special event going on over here. And man, we've gotten waved off several times. They're getting too close to shore, which normally wouldn't be too bad, I guess, right? But today, nope, forget about it. What a grand day on the water. I did not expect the sun to come out this early, and it's only 10:45 in the morning. That's awesome. That was a cool boat right there. That was great.
That was awesome. Ah. All right, he's ready. All right.
I think they're having a good time. Let's join them. There's always one more time, right? Yes! And they all count. One more time, under the bridge. Let's go. What a glorious Sea-Doo Saturday in San Diego! Now's the time, dude. Father and son!
Father and son, baby.
Arr.
Yeah.
What a day. High five the cameraman. High five! Boom! That was great.
Great day for driving, man.
Oh, it's perfect.
Dude, I can't believe how calm it is.
It is great.
You guys having a good time?
Yeah, totally.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
For sure.
Awesome.
All right, Kyle is docked. He's ready to go. All right, let's see how he did, huh? All right, there's the GM himself.
How we doing?
Yeah, much better day today, huh?
Beautiful out, man.
Wow.
Can't beat it.
You guys are all booked up today, huh?
Yes, sir. It's
Nice.
a busy weekend. Father's Day is just cracking out here.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, yeah. Well, guys, we had a great time on the water for sure. Oh, there's Kyle. Did you have a good time, buddy?
That was a freaking blast. That was,
You've had a Sea-Doo experience.
just might go out and buy one next week. Yeah.
You might have to. Yeah, you might have to talk to the wifey on that one.
Yeah,
Right?
a little hard to, kind of do that transaction.
Yeah,
I get
yeah.
noticed. Yep.
Yeah. Here's my guy, Josh. What do you think, man?
It was really awesome. It's just like the waves made it more fun, and we went really, really fast, and it was probably the coolest thing I did like this whole week and weekend.
Nice.
It was really awesome.
So, would you give it like a 10 out of a 10?
More of a 10.
Okay, so
Yeah.
like a plus 10.
A plus 10.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
So 20 out of 10.
Nice.
It was really fun.
Nice.
Yeah.
And here's dear old dad.
Dear old Dad's
My buddy.
back's a little tight right now. Not 20 anymore, but that
Nope,
was
nope.
a lot of fun.
Nice.
Of course, seeing this guy just haul it out there. Ooh. Next time I'll have to, if I'm solo, I'll be a little more adventurous on the speed.
Oh, for sure, for sure. We'll
Yeah.
get you out here again, buddy.
Absolutely.
Nice. All right, guys. What a Father's Day weekend that was. Kyle and his son Josh. They had a great time here, here in San Diego, right over here at the San Diego Boat and Jet Ski Rentals, right here in Coronado Bay. Amazing. If you're ever here, guys, you got to make sure you guys come over here and check it out. Make sure you see Paul, who is the GM, and or Eston. So make sure you guys ask for those guys if you are ever over here. All right, guys, so by the way, if you ever do want to come down here, you do want to rent yourself a Sea-Doo for the day, I just talked to the GM here, and I'm going to go ahead and put a discount code right here for you guys. It'll be right here on the screen. I'll put it in the description box as well, too, to make sure you guys get an extra discount when you guys come down here to rent a Sea-Doo. All right, guys, well, that is pretty much it for now. What a great day on the water. Don't forget, make today your best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, I will see you on the water.